Hello. Today I want to share a little sewing tip with you. Um, an easier way to apply patches onto your garments or appliques before you sew. For a long time, when I would attach patches like this, I put a lot of little flower patches and things on my garments. And for the longest time, I would just, I would pin them on so that they wouldn't slide around when I was sewing. Well, there's a better way that I discovered, and I want to share that with you today. So let's do it. Okay, that method is just too time-consuming and tedious, so we're going to try something different. First, you want to get some basting spray. This has been a lifesaver and time saver for me. It is found in the, I get it at the fabric section in Walmart, but you can also find it at any fabric store or craft store probably. And there are different brands. This brand is Taylor Quilt Basting Spray. It's used a lot for quilting. But basically it's just a temporary glue that holds your fabric on, your patches on, while you sew, and it washes off when you wash the garment. So this is how I use it. I use a cardboard box when I'm spraying my patches because I don't want to get the spray everywhere. And I just take whatever it is that I want to stick on, turn it upside down. So these two patches I'm going to stick to the dress that I'm making. So I just turn them upside down, shake the spray, and then just spray it. It doesn't take a lot. And then you just take them and stick them on. And it's not like really, really sticky, but it's sticky enough to hold your patches while you're sewing. So there you have it. So you can just move it on over to the machine and stitch those on, and it won't slide around, and there are no pins to remove when you're done, no pins that you have to worry about sewing over. It is so easy. You're going to love using this stuff. Well, I don't know about you, but I love that method so much more than having to put in a bunch of pins and then try to sew around them carefully and then have to take the pins out when I'm done. I just think that this method with the basting spray is so much faster and easier. So I hope that it makes your sewing easier too. So, I've been sewing for a long time, many, many years, since I was 7 years old, but I am still learning new techniques and methods, and I want to share those with you. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so that you can be informed on future tutorials. Thank you. Bye.